Now we'll study about the major natural regions of the world, and it has been A.J. Herbertson in 1905 divided the world into 15 major natural regions on the basis of natural vegetation. A number of geographers have considered climate to be the most important element of natural regionalization of the world. On the basis of climate, Finch and Trivatha have divided the whole world into 12 major natural regions. Differences may have found in the number and extent of natural regions decided by different geographers. Following the scheme adopted by Herbertson with nominal modification, a general classification of natural regions of the world has been discussed here. So it's the Herbertson classification. Tropical regions. In tropical regions, these are the sub regions that are equatorial regions, savanna regions, tropical monsoon regions, tropical desert or Sahara type regions, warm temperate regions. In the warm temperate region, there are Mediterranean region, temperate desert regions, China type, and cold temperate regions, prairie type regions, Western European type regions, and St. Lawrence type regions. In the cold regions, there are taiga, tundra, and high mountain regions. Now, if you want to study the equatorial regions, how we can identify what are the equatorial regions. Equatorial regions extend between 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south latitudes on both sides of the equator. Their maximum extent is found in the northern part of the South America, west central part of Africa, and islands of Southeast Asia. The maximum development of such regions has taken place in Amazon Basin in South America, Congo Basin in Africa, and Indo-Malaysian region, mainly in Java, Sumatra, Borneo, Malaysia, and New Guinea in Asia. Now, physical conditions. The climate of equatorial region is characterized by high temperature, high humidity, and very heavy convectional rainfall throughout the year. Now, the regions are basically the annual range of temperature is around 1 degree centigrade, but the daily range varies between 5 to 10 degrees centigrade, and there is an average rainfall of about 200 centimeters, and daily there is a rainfall between 2 to 4 pm. The high temperature, high humidity, and heavy rainfall of the equatorial region produces a climate optimum for luxuriant vegetative growth. Now, the evergreen forests are the characteristics of this particular region. There are numerous species of plants in the various parts of the equatorial region. Tree is the most significant member of the tropical evergreen. The main forest, and this forest is called as selva, which is a broadleaf evergreen forest. Trees are 30 to 50 meters high with dense crowns that form a thick canopy above the forest floor. Now, they are having a very thick, luxuriant vegetative growth. Similarly, the animal life is also very luxuriant. So, abundance of animals with different number of species are found here. Mammals include chimpanzee, gorilla, bison, African elephant, leopard, pigs, and number of different diversities in mosquitoes, spiders, ants, butterflies, crocodiles, hippopotamus, ducks, fishes. And the human response. What is the human response here? On the population density map, tropical rainforest regions stand out as poorly populated regions of the world, and there are around less than 5 persons per square kilometer. People reside in Amazon Basin, Congo Basin, several islands of Indonesia and Philippines. Shifty cultivation is common in these regions, which is known as milpa in Latin America, fang in Africa, and ladang in Indonesia. So this region is basically famous for commercial farming. Commercial farming in Southeast Asia with India, China, Arabia, where cocoa, coconut, rubber, sugarcane, all these are grown here. And many hardwoods like mahogany, rosewood, ebony, dyewood, teak are the major products of selva forests here. Now, The major tribes are Pygmies of Congo Basin, primitive Indians of the upper Amazon, and the Semang tribals of Malaysia. So it's a home of many tribal people also. The second we'll study about Savannah region in the next video.